Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 exercises every woman should include in their fitness routine. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gym goer, these exercises are a must for building strength, improving posture, and feeling your absolute best. Let's get started. First up, we have squats, the ultimate full-body workout. Squats target your legs, glutes, core, and lower back, making them ideal for building overall strength and toning your lower body. Plus, they're perfect for boosting metabolism. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up and knees behind your toes. Lower down as if you're sitting in a chair. Improves posture. Strengthens core and glutes, increases flexibility. Next, we have push-ups. This classic exercise works your chest, shoulders, arms, and core. It's an excellent move to improve upper body strength and stability. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe. Hands should be shoulder width apart. Lower yourself until your chest almost touches the ground. Strengthens the upper body. Improves posture. Enhances core stability. Third on the list is the plank. This exercise might look simple, but it's a powerhouse for strengthening your core, back, and shoulders. Holding a plank is great for building endurance and improving posture. Elbows directly under shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line, avoiding sagging hips. Hold for at least 30 seconds, gradually increasing as you get stronger. Strengthens core and back. Enhances posture. Builds endurance. Lunges are another fantastic lower body exercise. They target the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, making them great for toning legs and improving balance. Step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at 90 degrees. Keep your front knee directly above your ankle. Push back up to standing position and switch legs. Improves balance and coordination. Strengthens and tones legs and glutes. Increases flexibility. Finally, we have deadlifts. This compound movement works your hamstrings, glutes, lower back, and core. It's one of the best exercises for overall strength and improving posture. Keep your feet hip-width apart. Hinge at the hips, keeping your back flat, and lower the weights down your shins. Drive through your heels to stand back up. Strengthens lower back and core. Improves posture. Tones glutes and hamstrings. And there you have it. These 5 exercises are essential for any woman's fitness routine. They'll help you build strength, improve your balance, and get you feeling strong and confident in no time. Remember, consistency is key, so try incorporating these moves into your routine at least 3 to 4 times a week. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below your favorite exercise or what you want to see next. Stay fit, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other workout videos to keep your fitness journey going.